Hey loves, it's your girl Shantana Raymond and welcome back to my channel. I know y'all have missed me and definitely have missed you as well. But before I get into the detail of today's video, I want to wish you a happy belated Merry Christmas and a happy belated New Year's. And I wish but nothing but the best for the coming 2021. 2020 was a rough year, but the mere fact that you're here to watch this video, we made it, sis. Like, we made it, brothers and sisters, we made it, and I give thanks for that. As y'all can see by the title of today's video, I will be doing the short passion twist. I know I've done quite a few of them. I will be leaving the link up here for y'all to go and watch those as well, but today I'm giving you a shorter version of it. So if you're interested, make sure you watch from the start to the end. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and make sure you tell a friend to come by and support y'all, girl. It is important for you to like, and it's also important to comment. Hey guys, it's your girl Shantana Redmond and welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can see, I'm jumping right into the video. So I'm actually sectioning my hair in two, ensure that it's properly detangled, because you want to make sure that your hair is detangled properly. I'm just applying some gel now to help with the neatness of the parting at the front, because at the front part you want your hair to neatly done. The back part can always stay for me, to be honest, because it's just the back, but the front has to be well taken care of. I'd asked my sister to help me with the parting, so for this part I'm just showing you guys how to go about getting that side part neatly done, applying your gel to ensure that the hair is secure. So I'm just applying some olive oil to the rubber bands to help to secure them from not bursting in my hair. And for all the protective style that I've done so far, I've applied the oil to it and they actually last long, like literally do. If you're not comfortable using the rubber band method, you could always get some small black scunchie and use them if you're not comfortable with the rubber bands, because sometimes they tend to pull on your hair, but you just have to be careful of how you apply them and also how you remove them as well. So I'm just going in, detangling, make sure the parts are neat. Then I'm going to use two rubber bands. I don't know if it's just me alone, but I always use two rubber bands to secure the root of my hair. So I'm just going to do that. And guys, please be careful when you're doing your own hair. I don't know what I was doing and my finger actually catch right in my eyes. So make sure y'all be careful with the comb, make sure you be careful with your hand, especially when you reach the front part of your hair, because trust me, that was really hot. So just be very carefully. So I'm just gonna apply some jam to my hair, take my toothbrush to brush in my edge to make sure that everything is laid perfectly. Then I'm going to go right in with my rubber band and secure the roots. If you notice that I've separated the hair in two, that's just to help to like tighten the rubber band a little bit more, because sometimes you do it, you have to make sure you test, like you turn your head, you bend down your head, you lift up your head to ensure that the rubber band is actually not too tight and it's pulling on your face. So I went off camera and finished the front. I didn't get a chance to count how much strands that I've used, but I know for sure that there was 5 rows at the back, and the front part I honestly don't remember, but that's how I did mine. But I'm gonna make sure I leave the amount of strands in the description for y'all to see. The passion twist that I'm using for this style is Story Twist. It's the first I'm actually using their passion twist. I get 6 packs of hair. I also receive a little pack with rubber bands and a crochet needle and some cute little hair accessories. So basically you have everything right here in front of you. It's an 18-inch hair, so I'm just gonna detangle the hair a little bit and then I'm going to use my scissors and cut it. So once you cut that 18-inch strand, you basically get a 9-inch. So all you would need for the twist is 1 hair cut in 2, you get a 9-inch hair, just like that, just like that. So I already went off camera to sort out those at the back and those at the front, and as y'all can see so far, it's really looking fluffy and nice. So I'm gonna jump right into the illustration for y'all to see how to get these beautiful short passion twists. So of course you're gonna pull out the hair that you need, or the hair that you're going to use first. So it's always good to put aside the stuff that you're not using, because sometimes when you're crocheting the hair through your natural hair, it tends to knot up. Please guys, make sure you also detangle your hair properly. And what I've learned is that it's best to apply the hair gel on your hair instead of on your hair and the passion twist, because the gel itself, I don't know, it to me it damps the fluffiness of the passion twist, if that even make any sense. But you will understand if you try it, or if you see in any other videos, that it literally kills the fluffiness. So once you apply it to your hair, it's best than the passion twist. So I'm just using the crochet needle to push through my natural hair. So you can either do it from the top or the bottom, and ensure that you secure the hair properly so that when you pull the hair through the crochet needle, it doesn't separate, because you're using 2 strands of hair. So ensure you secure a knot with your finger, and then you're gonna hold the crochet needle, pull the hair through, then you're gonna lock the little lock on it and ensure that you hold the hair properly. So as you can see in my left hand, there's a little knot right there, and then my right hand have the 2 strands of hair. So once you pull through one's supposed to remain in the next hand. So you ensure that they're even out, and then you're going to twist. As it pertaining to the direction, I still don't know how to give you the instruction, if it's either on the left side or on the right side I'm twisting. But once you see, you will automatically pick up. And if you have to watch this video 50 times to get the direction that I'm twisting on, then it's fine. And as you go along, you apply some of the hair gel to your natural hair, because it's going to like peek out a little bit. So you make sure you apply a little bit as you go along, not too much, because you're going to allow the curls not to be too fluffy. So you apply a small portion and then continue twist to the end. So I will be doing that right throughout the video for y'all to see what I'm doing, and then I'm going to speed it up a little bit because I don't want y'all to get bored. Also realize guys is that based on how I cut some of the hair, they're actually not even, and when I reach down like to the ends, they're like tiny. So you can get the scissors and get rid of those bad ends. So for this one, as I was saying earlier, that you need to be careful with the amount of gel that you put on the hair, and as I said, it's going to be a little tricky when you're doing it for the very first time, because if you're not careful, you will twist it in the wrong direction and the hair looking like a mess. So that's exactly what happened to the one on the front. I had to pull it out and redo it. So I'm going to apply some mousse to my hair. It's not with cream, guys, it's hair mousse. Okay, so I'm going to apply it to my root and down onto my hair as well. This is the most satisfying thing ever once I'm done doing my hair. Like when that thing melts in your scalp, like that felt so good. But and also I'm gonna use some olive oil to hide the root of my hair. It's always best to do it once you finish your hair instead of when you're doing it, to me, but that's my opinion. But anything that works for you, go ahead. I get some cute accessories from a beauty supply store, so I'm just putting them in my hair. I have struggled putting them in because I wasn't able to see at the back, so I just like put some and they just fall right in. So as y'all see, they look really cute and nice, and it give your hair that nice little pop. Then I'm going to go in to fix up my edges, because y'all can have a hairstyle and don't have edges. Just a quick reminder going into 2021, the more I post video, I'd really appreciate it if you guys watch from the start and to the end, not skipping it midway, not going straight to the end, but watching from the start to the end. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you also comment, because how YouTube works, if you watch the video part way, you don't like, you don't comment, they will think that, hey, this video is not so important, so they push me in the back bench, like the back bench. So you guys, once you come here, watch from the start to the end. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, make sure you like, and also tell a friend to come by to help promote my videos. I'd really appreciate it. By maybe the next 6 months time, or by the end of the year, I reach 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hours, and I can't do it without you guys. So you guys have to watch from the start to the end. Also like and comment. Check out all my previous videos that I've uploaded on my channel. Bye guys. Mwah.